Finding the right supplier is like dating. You scroll through endless profiles, send awkward messages, and still end up with someone who ghosts you. But what if you had an AI matchmaker for your business? Meet Accio, the world's first AI-powered sourcing engine that's changing the game for entrepreneurs and SMEs. Whether you're a dropshipper in Dubai, a small factory in Florida, or a startup in Singapore, sourcing products is a headache. It's slow, confusing, and honestly, a little risky. Accio is here to fix that, and the way it works feels like magic, but it's powered by some very real AI tech. Accio was built by Alibaba.com. Yes, that Alibaba. And it's running on over 25 years of global sourcing data. Think of it as ChatGPT's smarter cousin. But instead of writing poems, it finds you the perfect supplier for literally anything, from pastel-colored reusable water bottles to industrial drilling machines. Here's the part that got me hooked. You don't need to know exact keywords or dig through endless categories. You can just tell Accio, in plain language, what you need. I want eco-friendly reusable water bottles in pastel colors, ready for shipping to the US. And it will get to work. You can even upload a picture, a PDF, or paste a link, and it will understand exactly what you mean. If you can show or tell it, Accio can find it. Under the hood, it's powered by some serious AI muscle: DeepSeek R1, GPT-4o, and Qwen 3, combined with Alibaba's enormous data vault covering more than 7,600 product categories. It's like giving a sourcing assistant not just a brain, but an encyclopedia of global trade. And then there are the features. Natural language search, so you can talk to it like a friend. Visual search, so you can upload a photo and get matching suppliers. A market trends dashboard, so you know what's hot before everyone else does. Alerts for price drops or new supplier listings. And my personal favorite, inspiration mode. It's like Pinterest, but instead of pretty pictures you can't actually buy, you get real products with real suppliers, ready to do business. Since launching, Accio has been used by over 500,000 SMEs around the world. Some businesses have seen supplier conversion rates jump by nearly 30%, meaning more deals closed and less time wasted. That's huge if you're trying to grow fast without burning out. Let's be real, traditional sourcing is exhausting. You email 20 suppliers, half reply in broken English, a few disappear. One sends you a sample that looks nothing like the photo, weeks wasted. Accio changes that by pre-vetting results and giving you the key details up front. Minimum order quantities, certifications, shipping timelines, the stuff you usually have to dig for. If you're a tech geek like me, you'll appreciate this. Accio uses multimodal AI. That means it understands text, images, documents, and links together. It's basically fluent in human business language. And all the sourcing slang that would normally confuse a regular search engine. Using it is simple. You head to acio.com, sign up for free, and type what you're looking for in plain language. Within seconds, it gives you supplier matches, market trend insights, and sometimes even product ideas you hadn't considered. In under 5 minutes, you can be sourcing like a Fortune 500 company. And it's not just for the big players. If you run a Shopify store, a local boutique, a small manufacturing plant, or even a weekend side hustle, Accio is your AI co-pilot for finding the right products and the right suppliers. Here's the thing. Remember when Google made finding information effortless? Accio is doing that for sourcing. And in business, the people who jump on early with tools like this usually win big. With Accio's product inspiration feature, you'll now be able to leverage real-time market data from comprehensive web insights, social media trends, and B2B e-commerce knowledge to pinpoint winning product ideas, all in one place. This product inspiration feature can help buyers transition from making intuitive decisions to data-driven decisions. The core ability of this feature is to transform complex market data, buyer behavior, and product performance statistics into actionable insights and help buyers establish data-based logical framework for their sourcing. The easiest way to trigger the product inspiration feature would be giving Accio a clear request on what you are looking for. But first, make sure you have your search set to opportunities instead of products. Now, let's try searching for winter products. By analyzing key factors such as social trends, profit margins, search volumes, retail sales, and niche scores, Accio will generate hundreds of creative ideas tailored to your needs. Users of Accio experienced a profound sense of surprise when they realized that a product, which would typically take months to find through requests for quotation, could be identified by Accio in just a few minutes. As one user put it, that would take me months to find. This dramatic compression of time completely transforms users' procurement efficiency. Buyers who were given the chance to test run this product inspiration feature quickly realized the potential benefits it could have for their business. Another buyer stated, "The product research data, similar to Jungle Scout, was a big surprise and helped me when I was navigating which products to choose." Moving from subjective judgment to objective data can give buyers a sense of security and confidence in their decisions. If you want a more fine-tuned search process, you can utilize Accio to get proactive guidance in generating comprehensive requirements, enabling precise matching with AI-verified products and suppliers through our multimodal search. Accio will deduce which categories are most in demand for the product scenario you searched for, according to the relevance and importance of your sourcing needs. If you need a bit more background and context before making your decision, you'll also be able to access AI-generated encyclopedia pages that compile verified product information for each SKU and allow you to subscribe to product and industry updates. Known as the Accio page, this will be tailored to your specific queries and sourcing intentions. This encyclopedia-style page offers an intelligent summary by integrating and reconstructing verified product knowledge from various sources, ensuring you receive accurate, comprehensive, and decision-oriented product information. Buyers who use this tool quickly realized they had enhanced their professional skills. This transition from being the user of a tool to a knowledgeable purchaser gave them a profound sense of achievement. The Accio page helped beginner buyers understand products and key elements of the sourcing process. As one user rightfully put it, this tool not only helped me better understand the products, but it also made me a better buyer. It was like having a mentor explain what I needed to know. By now, we hope you might have some ideas and a better understanding of how to incorporate Accio into your search processes when sourcing. The best thing to do now would be to reflect on the key tips you learned today and start trying Accio with actual product searches you might need for your business. You may be surprised by the results. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and drop a comment with the product you'd love to source. I might just do a follow-up video showing Accio in action, finding it for you.